Hi, my name is Jeff Hines, and I'm a department chair for the College of Lake County. I run a computerized numerical control (CNC) program and a machine tool trades program (MTT). So just what is machining and CNC? CNC is computerized or automated machine controls that run parts that are used in the automotive industry, medical industry, aerospace, and Department of Defense. And currently there are many employers in Lake County that are looking for help. So hiring opportunities are abundant in the Lake County area. So what type of jobs could be found in this industry? Well, there's many occupations such as operator, machinist, tool and die maker, mold maker, maintenance mechanics, fabricators, machine builders. Many operators run different types of equipment: milling, turning, water jet, wire EDM, grinding. So there's many different types of occupations that one can find employment in Lake County. So just what type of opportunities exist in the program? Well, in the CNC program, you can earn several certificates that lead to an associate degree in applied science in CNC program. The first degree or certificate is 9 credit hours and can be obtained in as little as 1 semester with 3 classes. The career program is laddered from one certificate that leads into a second, then third, and all the way up to the associate degree. So with continuing in the program and taking additional classes, it's possible for someone to earn 3 certificates, then the associate degree. Some of the type of classes that are in the program: machine shop classes, where you learn to run manual machines, mills, lathes, surface grinders, horizontal, vertical band saws, pedestal grinders, just to name a few. Engineering graphics, CNC programming, where you learn to write the machine language that runs the computerized machines, learn how to operate, set up the machines. Then there are blueprint reading classes, jig and fixture design classes, Mastercam, CAM programming classes. Students learn to measure parts, inspect parts, and verify that they conform to the blueprints. The associate degree can take anywhere from 2.5 to 5 years typically, depending on if you are a part-time student or choose to go full-time. The machine tool trades program is very similar, but it requires a little bit more manual machining. So people that typically take the machine tool trades program are looking to do more manual machining, or maybe occupied in a machinist role running manual machines, or a die repair technician, or a mold repair technician, or a machine builder, or one of those types of occupations.